Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
He's stable in a way that he had a spike of fever 2 days back, but after that, now today he's better and he's able to speak in sentences, he's eating better, so maintaining saturation on high flow nasal cannula. So in a way he's progressing, but I think we have to wait for some time. It will take time. So all these things are sometimes very slow, they will take time. On oxygen, proning, all the maneuvers and medications required are being given, so hopefully he will improve soon.
So he will be under operation for how many days?
So he will be there in the hospital for as long as required, of course. So as long as he is able to come back to his daily activities.
Union Minister's health is improving from what it was yesterday morning. Today morning is much better. That is what even they said. They spoke to the media also saying that his health is improving.
COVID report negative madam.
His TrueNet test is negative. We have sent his RT-PCR today. That report is awaited.
So what about MGP Leader Sudin Dhavalikar?
They saw MGP Leader also. They said he is stable.